Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keep dropping calls on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, insert SIM card. Remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, again insert SIM and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, again click on this restart and go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. Scroll down and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, click on reset and enter your phone pin. After enter your phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and you will see click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keep dropping calls on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.